Hello and welcome to day 15. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. No, I can't remember where day 15 is hiding. Here it is. Okay, so we have got a tall one, a long flat one. Okay, so this is day 15. Oh, exciting. Let's open it up and see what we have. We have got, it's a brush with some netting on it to protect it. Ooh, what a lovely colour. Looks fantastic. So it looks like its own design brush. Well, that's nice. That's a really nice brush actually, and it's got sections here which don't actually do anything. I think it's just part of the design. Really nice looking brush. Yeah, I was half expecting to see a brush in here, and this is a really nice one to have because it's not anything particular. It's a generic brush that you know you're going to use. So nice one, lovely colour as well. Rose gold, loving that. Good one. See you tomorrow.